Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Tracy and I'm so excited to have you here today. Today I want to quickly talk to you about the Stamp with Tracy classes that I have each month. Now registration closes for the July class tomorrow on the 20th of July, and this month's class is the Bloom Where You're Planted Suite class. So super cute projects. I absolutely love this class. This one is probably one of my favorites that I've done so far. So you will create 5 cards. Two of the 5 cards are actually fun fold cards, which is super fun. I have 3 options that you can choose from. The subscription, where you sign up every single month and it gets sent out to you. There is also a 1 month only class as well as an online class. So the 1 month only does not put you in the draw to win any of the prizes, and you're just trying it out for the month. And the online only version does not put you into the draw for prizes either, and you're going to receive the PDF and video tutorial. So all that information is over my blog and you can go over and see that, and the registration is there as well. Okay, so Bloom Where You're Planted class this month is, let me show you. In the kit, you are going to receive a quarter pack of the Bloom Where You're Planted designer series paper. This is absolutely gorgeous paper. So a quarter pack of that one, and that is what we're mainly using on our cards. So super cute designer series paper with that one. You're also going to receive 2 of the paper lattice, which you can colour in. These ones are actually in a craft colour, but you can colour them in if you wish in any projects. So 2 of those. And then you're going to get a full pack of the Baker's Twine Essential Pack. So there's 5 rolls of Baker's Twine with that one. You have 5 card kits with envelopes, all ready to go. Everything is pre-cut and die cut if it needed. If you're getting the online only version, obviously you're not getting any of these, so you're going to have to cut and die cut all your pieces yourself. I have a full PDF that is available with all of the 5 cards, and there's also a video tutorial that is linked with this one as well. So it shows you how to put everything together, what you need, and this has full instructions, so your dimensions of all your products and your and full color pictures as well. So the stamp set that I'm using in this is actually the bundle, the Plentiful Plants bundle, and you can add this on to your order if you would like, and I'll actually pay the shipping to you from Stampin' Up. So this is an added bonus if you don't already own it. Most of the people that are doing my online classes are demonstrators already, so they can purchase from themselves anyway. But if you don't and you would like to purchase the online bundle, you can do so at a discount, which is fantastic. So let me quickly show you through the cards, because I did show on my last live the cards, so I thought I'll give you a quick look. It might entice you to join up and start the classes. So this is our first card, absolutely gorgeous. I love this designer series paper. We have our second card. This one I created on my live last week, so if you follow me, you might have already seen this card. Super cute. And then we have this fun fold, which this opens up and comes out. So that's really nice, something a little different, and it goes together back in really well. And then we have a corner flap card, so this comes out from the side here and opens up and goes back under. So super cute cards, and I hope that you'll come over and join in. If you have any questions, please get in touch with me. Like I said, registration closes tomorrow the 20th, so you've only got till tomorrow to get on and join up. And don't forget, if you need that stamp set bundle, you can purchase it through me through that add-on link. And yeah, we'll see you all then. Have a wonderful day, everyone. Bye bye.